अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस मैं आपको ना मेट ऑटो के बारे में बताना चाहूँगी। हमें सबसे पहले ना क्रोम ब्राउज़र ओपन करना होगा। क्रोम ब्राउज़र ओपन करने के बाद हमें google.com की वेबसाइट सर्च करनी है। google.com वेबसाइट सर्च करने के बाद हमें यहाँ लिखना है मेट ऑटो। मेट ऑटो सर्च करना है। हम ये ओपन करेंगे। मेट लाइफ्स 14 एनुअल एम्प्लॉयज़ बेनिफिट्स ट्रेंड स्टडी 2016 सेविंग आर बेस्ड ऑन आवर 2018 कंट्री वाइड रिसर्च ऑफ न्यू कॉल सेंटर्स कस्टमर्स एनुअल वर्जिस सेविंग इन 2017 farmers group select SM participates in the national flood insurance program managed by the federal government. No group discount is available for flood insurance. See policy for detail. This policy has exclusion, limitation, reduction of benefits, terms under which the policy may be continued in force or discontinued. For cost and complete detail of the coverage, call or write your insurance agency for the company. Program information provided by the following specific insurers seeking to obtain insurance: business underwritten by farming, property and casualty insurance company, and certain economy fires and company economy premiers assurance company economy preferred. MetaLife Auto and Home is a branded of Metropolitan Property and Casualty Insurance Companies and it affiliates Economy Preferred Insurance Company, Metropolitan Casualty Insurance Company, Metropolitan Direct Property and Casualty Insurance Company, Metropolitan General Insurance Company, Metropolitan Group Property and Casualty Insurance Company, and Metropolitan, all with administrative home offices in Warwick. Discounts and policy further vary by state and products and are available in most states to those who qualify. The carrier referenced on this page operate identically and are not responsible for each other. Financial obligation. Meta Life Auto and Home is a brand used by Metropolitan Property and Casualty Insurance Company and certain of its affiliates: Economy Fire and Casualty Company, Economy Premier Insurance Company, Economy Preferred Insurance Company, Metropolitan Casualty Insurance Company, MetaLife Auto and Home Insurance Agency INC, Metropolitan Direct Property and Casualty Insurance Company, Metropolitan Group Property and Casualty Insurance Company, and Metropolitan Insurance Company of Texas, all with administrative homes offices in Warwick, RI. The Farmers Insurance Group R has purchased all the entities described above. Farmers does not purchase Metropolitan General Insurance Company. हमारा यहाँ होता है कंप्लीट। अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।